tons of test data from many production locations throughout the whole world, leaving you with a feeling of drowning in data and little control. Does that sound familiar to you? WATS gives you the operational opportunity to reduce or eliminate the risk of sending non-functioning or inadequate products to the market. With WATS, you get control of all test and repair data anywhere in the world, at any time, on computers, tablets, and smartphones. Effective decision-making starts with the right data in the right place at the right time. Increase yield, decrease failures, and increase profits with WATS. Sign up today and download the WATS client, allowing you to connect with industry-leading software such as National Instruments LabVIEW, TestStand, Microsoft Visual Studio, or any flat files or databases. WATS puts you on top, 24/7, 365. Sign up now. It's free and without obligation with a 30-day trial.